Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me. It did compensate me to make a quick review to show you a little bit about these Chenille Star patches. This is fantastic. So I'm going to take them out. We're going to take a look at them in a minute. They're really kind of cool. They're made out of very high quality, easy to use. Very, like they're really nice and soft. They won't break, they won't crack. They have a lot of good versatility to them. Easily, you can peel them off. You can stick them to a fabric. If you know how to sew, you can actually sew them lightly all around and sew them, or you can iron them on for permanent. Totally up to you how you want to use it. Again, good quality material and workmanship. Fantastic. And they're all embroidered. Embroidered patches really can add a lot of flair and look to your design and to your clothing, which is kind of nice, right? You can make it interesting. You can make it your own. You can put them on sneakers. You can put them on shoes. You can put them on clothes, pants. Doesn't really matter. Jackets. Put them in your room. Put them on your wall. You can make all kinds of cool stuff with this. So it's really nice. I just want to show you a little bit what they look like, some close-up shots, and give you some measurements. Again, really high quality Chenille patches. I mean, the first thing is say they're just really, really fun. You can do a lot of different designs. If you want to do something really different, you can go, make them, you can put them on your room, like I said. So they're really nice. And let's take a really close look. I really want you to see how these are made. They're really, really nice. You can see the black with the gold all around it, which is nice, right? That's really nice. I like that. And then we'll take a look at the white one as well. Put this behind my hand so you can see better. Maybe there you go. And this is the white with the gold all around it. Now the self-adhesive is right in the back of each one of these. Have self-adhesive right in the back. All you do is just pull it back and peel it. It'll stick right on to your item, and that way you can it'll hold it there. You can leave it like that and then remove it. You can lightly sew it on, or you can actually iron these on. So you have a lot of versatility with these types of items. They're really kind of cool. They're good size. Let's take a quick measurement here. I just want to show you the size of these. This is approximately, let's call this 2.5 inches right across here. I would say, yep, about 2.5 from star to star right there. You can see from star point to star point, approximately 2.5 inches across. So you get an idea. So you can do this in any configuration that you like. I like these quite a bit. It's got a nice feel to them, really soft. Really take a look. Seriously, take a look at this detail of this star. Now, you really gonna appreciate the detail. It's not cheaply made. It's Chenille, super soft, won't break, really nice quality, and the gold is absolutely phenomenal. You can see that gold shimmering. So you can imagine you got a couple of these on your clothes, and you get that, that little sparkle going, you got that fashion thing happening there, which is kind of cool. And you got 32 of them, so how can you go wrong? I mean, you have a lot to work with, a lot of options here. When you make your own fashion, you can make your own clothing design, your own line, just all kinds of different options. I do like them quite a bit. They'll last quite a long time. They're washable. And just a really cool thing. So I just wanted to just bring this to you and show it to you. The company did send them to me, and I just thought they're kind of fun. You can just see how cool these really, really are. You can layer them like this. You can just put them on your clothes, and you can kind of like have fun designs with these. You can do whatever you want. So this is what I have. This is what they look like. I just want to really give you a good look just to see exactly what they look like and how fun these really are. Again, each one of these are self-adhesive. Just pop this off in the back. You can see here. Let me show you how that comes off, and you just stick this on. This is sticky. That's very sticky. And then you can, like I said, lightly sew, or you can iron these on permanently. Either way, they're fantastic. I love these. These are a great craft item. Good for the kids, good for adults in the room. They want to decorate their bed, their headboards, all kinds of stuff. I mean, you can do so many different things with this. It's really quite unlimited, and the potential is really up to your child or even yourself to be as creative as you want. And that's what these are. Creative stuff. This is fantastic. I love craft items. So that's what I have for you. Appreciate it. If you enjoy this product review, don't forget to subscribe to this channel that you're watching. I really do appreciate your time as always. I hope I brought you some value, show you a little bit about this item, give you some information about it, and also educate you and motivate you to go ahead and purchase this, because I think it's fantastic. It's a great item. I do get a small commission if you do purchase it. It just helps my channel out, and I do appreciate that, and costs you nothing. So okay, guys, appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at my next review.